Well, hi folks, this is Darren with My RV Works. Today we're in Brinnon, Washington, which is just off the Hood Canal. Beautiful, but it's a little drizzly right now. So I'm working on this furnace back here. Several times when I've been talking to you guys about furnaces, I've talked about the importance of making sure that exhaust port was installed. And so we're working on this one. It turned out to be the sail switch. We got it fixed up, but I just wanted to take a quick minute or so to show you what it is I'm talking about with that exhaust port being connected. So what I'm going to do is spin the camera around. Well, not for you, but for me, and show you what this furnace is doing with no exhaust port connected to it. And then all I'm going to do is put the exhaust port on and you'll see the difference. Let's go. Okay, so I've given the furnace a call for heat by being the thermostat and connecting it. You'll notice that the exhaust port is not connected. And I've got the exhaust port in my hand right here. Best practice, put some anti-seize on it. Notice how it flamed out? Let's do that a time or two. It'll do this forever. No end in sight for this thing to just keep doing what it's doing right here. Do it again, one time again. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I want you to hear this thing try and flame out, try and flame out. Okay, you're gonna rack your brain trying to figure it out. So all I'm gonna do is put this in, and this is what I've been saying for years, so I'm gonna put that back in. That's the only thing I'm gonna do different, right? I've got the exhaust port installed. And let's just see what this furnace does with that installed. See how the ignition's sustained? So, like I've said, you got to keep that exhaust port in. So it'll run forever now as long as there's a call for heat. We have propane, but watch, I'm going to pull this out and watch what this furnace does by me taking this out. Okay, take that out. Wait for it. There it goes. And what we're after, see that little donut right there in the back of this thing? That's going to put just the right amount of back pressure on that sail switch so that it can sustain the heat. So anyway, I'm going to end the video. Hope you guys enjoy these little tips. So this is Darren signing off. So if you're going to be doing a service on your furnace and you've got it out of the RV, make sure you put that exhaust port in. All right, guys, till the next video. Thank you.